Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're continuing our journey in Athens. If you haven't seen the first episode, click on the pop-up link in the top right corner. I highly recommend watching it before this one. In this travel vlog, we'll explore the must-see attractions, including the Acropolis, and dine at Greece's only two-Michelin-starred restaurant, Delta. Let's get started.
You are what I waited for, oh. You make me touch the sky when I'm down. Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you, oh. Cause you are my one love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, you're the one, my heart. You make me feel alive.
We started our journey from the hotel, and the route was fairly easy with only a few flights of stairs. It took us around 15 minutes to reach the Acropolis. For those looking to maximize their sightseeing experience in Athens, the Athens Pass is a great option. This pass includes admission to 7 attractions, including the Acropolis, the ancient Agora, the Temple of Olympian Zeus, and more. Visiting 3 or more of these attractions already makes the pass worth its cost. If you're not interested in museums, the combo ticket is a great alternative, which also includes admission to 7 Athens attractions. Before visiting the Acropolis, remember to take a detour to Areopagus Hill to enjoy a higher viewpoint of the city, and take some breathtaking photos. Our first stop is none other than the Parthenon, one of Greece's most iconic structures. Built during the Golden Age of Athens in the 5th century BCE, this magnificent temple was dedicated to the goddess Athena, who was revered as the patron deity of Athens. The Parthenon was a symbol of Athens' power and wealth. As a treasury, it stored the city's riches, and as a cultural hub, it proudly displayed the city's achievements. Aside from the Parthenon, the Acropolis boasts another impressive structure, the Porch of the Maidens, located just opposite. This structure is renowned for its architectural aesthetics, which makes it all the more impressive when you consider the challenge of supporting such a heavy stone roof. The columns had to be a certain width and height to support the weight, which meant the necks of the sculptures couldn't be too slender. To solve this problem, the designer used long hair and flower baskets to support the columns, increasing the surface area for support. These sculptures, known as the caryatids, were modeled after women from Laconia. Unfortunately, what you see today are replicas of the original sculptures. 5 of the 6 caryatids are now housed in the Acropolis Museum, while the remaining one is located in the British Museum. Now, let's head to our next destination, the Delta restaurant, where we will get to experience some of the most exquisite cuisine in the country. Delta restaurant holds the distinction of being Greece's only 2-star Michelin restaurant. Additionally, the restaurant has earned a Michelin Green Star for its emphasis on sustainable practices. To secure a table, we had to make a reservation 3 months in advance and provide a €100 deposit. The restaurant is located on the 5th floor, and the high ceiling gives it a sense of spaciousness. But what's truly unique is the way they break from tradition by growing plants in the air, which demonstrates a unique indoor environment. The tasting menu consisted of 12 impressive courses, which might seem like a lot, but we were excited to try them all. Let's introduce a few of the dishes we had. Our journey started with a unique and delicious first course, shrimp that you could eat whole, including the head and shell. But don't worry, it wasn't a real shrimp shell. Instead, it was made of crispy carrot. The shrimp itself was lightly marinated with citrus, giving it a refreshing and zesty flavor. And to add even more depth to the dish, it was served with a pomegranate-flavored butter sauce that perfectly complemented the shrimp's sweetness. It's not an exaggeration to say that every dish is a work of art. Look at this dish. It's like a flower. It's made of soft bread with sea anemone and lemon, and crowned with generous amounts of caviar. The chefs impressed us by serving a unique brioche as the 8th course. This delightful creation was filled with a mouth-watering combination of onion, butter, and eggs, and enriched with the flavors of honey and lamb fat. The homemade cheese had an impeccable balance of sweetness and saltiness, and the caramelized exterior provided a satisfying crunch, making it the standout dish of our meal. Overall, Delta Restaurant is a culinary paradise that takes you on a gastronomic journey like no other. From the first bite to the last, every dish is a masterpiece, crafted with the finest ingredients and utmost care. And that's a wrap on our first stop in Greece. We hope you enjoyed exploring the vibrant city of Athens with me and discovering some of its hidden gems. If you're craving more travel inspiration, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the upcoming travel vlogs from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.